Before using your reference image in Midjourney, make sure that your image is a very high quality image and clear image, as you can see right over here. So what you have to do is just simply drag and drop this on the main page of Midjourney and then upload the image just like that. Now just simply open the image by clicking on it and then right click on the image, then copy this link. And now all you have to do is just simply hit backslash, then imagine. Now just simply paste the link that you just copied. And now just simply add your prompt, whatever prompt you want. So this is the prompt that I want. Now just simply hit enter and wait for a few seconds. Now once your image is all ready, it will look something like this, as you can see. Now, if you like any of the images over here, you can just simply upscale that by using the option right over here, and then you will get your upscaled image. So this is how you can use reference images in Midjourney. So if you would like to get Midjourney, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.